It is a real world scenario where we need to remove the specific elements from the array of objects. And in this case, for example, we want to remove the third element, and we are going to utilize the filter array method, which is very efficient and helpful in many cases. Filter method always return an array. It doesn't modify your existing array. It always fulfill and check the condition. On base of checking, it push the element to the new array. So let's take a look at the execution process, that how we can execute it. So basically it executes for every element, and if the condition is true, then it just push that specific element into the array, otherwise skip. So for example, here on the first condition where the id is 1, so it matches task.id is not equal to 3, which is 1 is not equal to 3, then it just pushed into the array. On the second example, the 2 is not is equal to 3, so it just pushed another element into the array. The third one will get skipped because the condition is false, 3 is not is equal to 3, right? And the fourth one will also be added into the array, and then after the execution completes, it just returns the array and stores the data in the filter task. Let's take a look at another example, the products array. It could be any products array, like in scenarios where you are getting the data from the API and you do not have access to such filters. There you can utilize the filter method. So here you can see that I just put the condition product.price is greater than 800 and store into the expensive product. So the case is I'm just getting here the expensive products which is greater, where price is greater than 800. So let's have a look on the example. On the first execution, you will see that the price is 1200, so 1200 is greater than 800. The condition is true, so the data get pushed into the array. The next one becomes false because 800 is not greater than 800, right? And 800 is greater than 800, no, so it just skipped the element. And on the next one, the price is 300 is greater than 800, no, so it just skipped. And on the next one, it just get pushed into the array because 1150 is greater than 800, that is why it get pushed into the array. And the last one also becomes true, that is why it went into the array. So after the execution process completes, then it stores into the expensive products. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and give this video a thumbs up.